Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a white border with shadow on Picsart. So first you can just open the Picsart apps on your phone and then add the photo that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this photos right here, and now you can just find the fit button in here, click on that and choose the shadow options in here. And for the color, don't forget to choose the white color. Click on shadow. Here you can adjust the opacity and also the blur. You can also adjust the position, the horizontal and also vertical. You can adjust it how you like it, and if you want to, you can also adjust the color. I'm going to just use black, and that's it. You can see behind it there will be the shadow. Click on the check icon and you are done. So just click on the arrow to save the photo. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.